Welcome to Mind Mosaic, where we explore the power of thought, intention, and action. Today, we're diving into a fundamental truth: your mindset shapes your life. Think of your mindset as the compass guiding you through life. Whether you realize it or not, the way you think and believe determines the direction you take. Every decision is a product of your mindset. Take two people, for example, one with a fixed mindset and the other with a growth mindset. The person with a fixed mindset believes their abilities and intelligence are static. They avoid challenges and fear failure, because it feels like a reflection of their limitations. On the other hand, someone with a growth mindset views failure as an opportunity to learn. They embrace challenges and see effort as the key to mastery. Your mindset is like the lens through which you view the world. It shapes your reality. If you believe you're capable of growth, every setback becomes a stepping stone. But if you see limits, life becomes filled with barriers. Science backs this up. Our brains are incredibly adaptable. Neuroplasticity shows us that with the right mindset, we can literally reshape how our brain functions. You're never stuck. You can change, evolve, and grow at any point. Your mindset also affects how you handle stress and adversity. When challenges arise, a fixed mindset says, "I can't." But a growth mindset asks, "What can I learn from this?" With the right mindset, your personal and professional life can flourish. A growth-oriented mindset leads to resilience, improved relationships, and greater achievements. Shaping your mindset is about more than positive thinking. It's about cultivating self-awareness and intentionality in your thoughts. It's training your brain to see potential, not just problems. Like a garden, your mindset needs nurturing. Water it with new experiences, feed it with knowledge, and it will grow into something beautiful and strong. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Mind Mosaic for more insights into the power of your mind.